My name is Lenora Blackamore. I'm a web developer with more than 20 years of experience. I actually specialize in web development, maintenance and design and brand strategy, team training, social media management, and I also do some tech support. I'm here to tell you about my company, MECCA Marketing Group. I have worked in the industry as a web developer for more than 20 years, having worked for large corporations such as Chase, Johnson Publishing Company, Ebony Jet Magazine, Website Solutions. Most people know the owner, Kevin Trudeau. I created my company 5 years ago because I saw that small businesses in my community lacked an online presence. Out of that was born MECCA Marketing Group. We help businesses take their products and services online to give them a competitive edge in this digital world. We have helped small businesses by increasing their subscriber base tenfold without even increasing their monthly budget. We have cut their processing times by 30% with integrating software applications into their businesses. MECCA Marketing Group can help you with any of your digital solutions. If you're interested in more about our service, visit our website at meccamarketinggroup.com or contact me at 773-520-4227. Make your digital experience count by setting up a consultation today.